Next, in Java, we are going to see how to use super keyword. So here we are creating a class. Name of this class I'm giving is main1. It is going to be our main class. So this is our package name and it's our main class. So here I'm creating one more class and I'm giving it a name A. Here we are going with super keyword. So super keyword can be used parent class constructor. So here we are going to see how to use it with superclass method. So here this is our class A. This is our going to be our parent class, and within this class this is our instance variable I and another instance variable, that is J. And here we are creating a method whose return type is void. Name of this method is show, and here within this method I'm assigning value to I, that is 10, and to J I'm assigning value 20. And here we are going to print the value of I and J. System.out.println, and here we are saying class A, and class A I equals to, and here we have to put plus sign, and this is going to display the value of I, that is 10. Similarly, system.out.println, and this is our class A, J equals to, and here we have to print the value of J. So this statement is going to print the value of I as 10, and this statement is going to print the value of J as 10. So this is our parent class. Now we have to create child class. So for that, here I'm creating one more class whose name is B, and which extends A. So now B is the child class of A because it is extending A. Now it is going to get the properties of A, that is instance variable, and this method is also going to come in class B. Now here in this class B, I am creating one method whose return type is void. Name is show. Here if we put a different definition of show other than this, then if we call this show method by creating object of class B, it is going to override this method, this upper method, and will show the definition of this class B show method. So here I am saying I equals to 12 and J equals to 18. And here we are changing the definition of show. So here I am saying system.out.println, and here it is addition of I and J equals to, and here we are going to add I and J, I plus J. So here it is going to add the value of I and J, that is 12 and 18 it is going to add. Save it, and here within this main method, if we create the object of A class, A1 equals to new A, and with A1 if I call show method, then this is going to call this class A show method. Save it and run it. So it has displayed class A I equals to 10 and class A J equals to 20. So it is calling this method. Similarly, if we create the object of class B1 equals to new B, and with B1 if I call show, then this statement is going to call this show method which is related to class B. So upper one is calling class A show method, and this b1.show is going to call this class B show method. Save it and run it. So it has shown class A I equals to 10 and class A j equals to 20. Addition of I and j is, it is not showing addition, it is concatenating 12 and 18. So what we have to do here is, here we have to put bracket, and here we will get to see the addition of I and j, which belongs to class B. So it is 30. Now the thing which we have seen earlier is that when the method name in derived class has same name and return type as that of base class, then that method gets overridden. So here if we comment this line, these statements, here we have created object of A and we are commenting a1.show. Now if I create the object of B and call show method, it is going to call this show method. It is not going to call this show method, because this method which is in class B, which is a child class, is going to override this upper class A show method. So if we rerun this program, so it will show addition of I and j is equal to 30. Here also, after overriding, even after overriding, if we want to call that upper class or parent class show method, what we have to do here is, here we have to put super dot show. Now this statement is going to call this upper class, that this class A show method. After that, it is going to assign value 12 to I and 18 to j, and then it will going to add value of I and j, which will make it 30. Save it and rerun it. So here it has printed class A I equals to 10, class A j equals to 20, and it is showing the addition of I and j. So if a child class is overriding parents class method, and if we want to call that parent class method, then we can use super dot show, super dot that method name which belongs to parent class. This is going to call that parent class method, parent class overridden method, and after that it is going to display the definition of that method written in child class.